The word we'll be learning in this section is おそらく, which you will often hear in conversations about events that might or might not occur, or when someone is predicting or guessing about something. The word おそらく means probably or perhaps in English. It is used to express the likelihood or probability that something is true or may happen. The first kanji means fear, dread, or being afraid. In the word 恐怖, this kanji brings the sense of strong fear or terror. In the verb 恐れる, it shows the action of feeling afraid or worrying about something. Think of this kanji as the idea of fear appearing in different words. I think he is probably busy. 彼はおそらく忙しいと思います。彼はおそらく忙しいと思います。He probably won't come. 彼はおそらく来ないでしょう。彼はおそらく来ないでしょう。Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. おそらく明日は雨が降る。おそらく明日は雨が降る。Perhaps she knows. おそらく彼女は知っている。おそらく彼女は知っている。The most common synonyms of the word おそらく is 多分. Both words imply possibility or likelihood. However, tabum is often used in a more casual context and is more common in everyday speech. The most common antonym of the word おそらく is 確実. 確実 means certainty or surety, expressing that something is definitely true or will happen, differing from the uncertainty implied by おそらく.